College gossips.
Hey Jenny, have you heard the latest gossip around campus?
No, what's going on?
Well, rumor has it that Sarah and Tom broke up.
Really? I didn't see that coming. Do you know what happened?
Not exactly, but I heard they had a big argument last week.
Oh, that's sad. They seemed like such a happy couple.
Yeah, relationships can be tricky sometimes. Anyway, have you heard any other gossip lately?
Not much, just the usual stuff about upcoming events and parties.
Cool. Let me know if you hear anything interesting.
Will do. Gossip spreads fast around here, so I'll keep you updated.
Thanks, Jenny. You're the best.
No problem. Gotta keep each other in the loop, right?
Yeah, have a great day.
You too.
Conversation about campus crush.
Hey Sarah. Do you see that guy over there by the library?
Oh, you mean Alex? Yeah, he's cute.
I know, right? He's my campus crush.
Really? Have you talked to him before?
No, I'm too nervous to approach him. Plus, I don't even know if he's single.
Well, you never know until you try. Maybe you could say hi next time you see him.
Yeah, maybe. But what if he's not interested?
Don't worry about that. You're awesome, and anyone would be lucky to talk to you.
Thanks, Sarah. You're always so supportive.
No problem. Just remember to be yourself. You never know, he might be interested too.
Yeah, you're right. I'll try talking to him next time I see him.
That's the spirit. I'll be here cheering you on.
Thanks. You're the best.
Conversation about studies.
Hey Lisa. How's your study going?
Hi. It's going okay, I guess. I've been trying to focus, but it's hard.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Sometimes it feels like there's just too much to learn.
Totally. I feel like I'm always behind, no matter how much I study.
Don't worry too much. You're doing your best, and that's what counts.
Thanks. That means a lot coming from you. How about you? How's your studying going?
It's been a bit tough, but I'm managing. I've been trying to break up my study sessions into smaller chunks, and it's been helping.
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe I'll give that a try too.
Yeah, definitely worth a shot. And hey, if you ever need someone to study with or help you out, I'm here for you.
Thanks. That really means a lot. I appreciate having a friend like you.
No problem. We're in this together. Let's keep pushing through, all right?
Absolutely. Together, we can tackle anything.
Conversation about sports event.
Hey Emily. Did you hear about the sports event happening at the college this weekend?
Yeah, I heard about it. It's the big basketball game, right?
Yep, that's the one. Are you planning to go?
I'm not sure yet. I'm not really into basketball, but it could be fun to go and support our team.
Exactly. Plus, it's always a good time to hang out with friends and cheer for our college team.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, count me in. I'll come with you to the game.
Awesome. It's going to be a blast. We can grab some snacks and enjoy the game together.
Sounds like a plan. Do you know what time the game starts?
I think it starts at 3 p.m. We should probably head there a bit earlier to get good seats.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you there, then.
Can't wait. It's going to be a great day of cheering and fun.
Conversation about college trip.
Hey Mark. Have you heard about the college trip coming up?
Yeah, I heard about it. Where are we going this time?
We're going to the mountains for a hiking trip. Isn't that exciting?
Wow, that sounds amazing. I've never been hiking before. When is it?
It's next weekend, on Saturday. We'll leave early in the morning and come back in the evening.
That works for me. Do we need to bring anything special?
Just some comfortable clothes and shoes for hiking, and maybe a backpack with snacks and water.
Got it. I'll make sure to pack everything I need. How much is it going to cost?
It's pretty affordable, just enough to cover transportation and some snacks. I can give you the details later.
Thanks, that would be helpful. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It's going to be a great opportunity to enjoy nature and spend time with friends.
Definitely. Thanks for letting me know. I'll see you next weekend for the trip.
No problem, see you then.
Conversation about selecting a college.
Hi Sarah. Have you decided which college you want to go to for higher studies?
Hi. Not yet, I'm still trying to figure it out. There are so many options.
Yeah, it can be overwhelming. Have you narrowed down your choices?
Kind of. I'm looking at a few colleges that have good programs in my field of interest.
That's a good start. Have you visited any of them or looked at their websites?
I've checked out their websites, but I haven't visited any in person yet.
Maybe you should try to visit some of them if you can. It can help you get a feel for the campus and see if it's the right fit for you.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll try to schedule some visits soon. How about you? Have you decided on a college?
I'm still undecided too. I'm considering a couple of options and weighing the pros and cons of each.
It's a big decision, isn't it?
Definitely. But I'm sure we'll both find the right college for us. Just take your time and trust your instincts.
Thanks. That's reassuring to hear. Let's keep researching and exploring our options together.
Absolutely. We'll figure it out together.
Conversation about career.
Hey Mark. Have you thought about what major you want to choose for your career?
Yeah, I've been thinking about it a lot lately. I'm just not sure which one to pick.
I understand. It can be a tough decision. Have you considered what you enjoy doing and what you're good at?
Yeah, I've been thinking about that. I really like working with computers and technology, so maybe something in that field?
That sounds like a great idea. Have you looked into majors like computer science or information technology?
Yeah, I have. They seem interesting, but I'm still not sure if they're the right fit for me.
That's okay. It's important to take your time and explore your options. Maybe you could talk to a career counselor for some guidance?
Yeah, I think I'll do that. It might help me figure things out. How about you? Have you decided on a major?
I'm leaning towards business administration. I enjoy working with people and I think it could open up a lot of career opportunities.
That sounds like a good choice for you. Thanks for the advice. I'll keep exploring my options and hopefully, I'll find the right major for me.
You're welcome. Just remember to follow your passion and everything will fall into place. Good luck.
Conversation about cheating.
Hey Lisa. Did you hear about what happened with Tom at college yesterday?
No, what happened?
He got caught cheating on his exam and now he's facing punishment from the college.
Oh no, that's not good. Cheating is never the right thing to do.
I know, right? It's so important to do your own work and study hard.
Yeah, I agree. I hope Tom learns from this and doesn't do it again.
Me too. Cheating can have serious consequences, like getting expelled from college.
That's true. I'm going to make sure I always do my own work and study honestly.
That's the right attitude. Let's always remember to be honest and work hard in our studies.
Definitely. Thanks for telling me about what happened.
No problem. It's important for us to look out for each other.
Conversation about embarrassment.
Hey Mark. Are you okay? You look upset.
Yeah, I'm feeling embarrassed. I tripped and spilled my coffee in the cafeteria.
Oh no, that sounds embarrassing. But hey, everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
I know, but it was so embarrassing. Everyone was looking at me.
Don't worry too much about it. People will forget about it soon enough.
I hope so. I just feel so silly.
It's okay to feel embarrassed, but remember, it's not the end of the world. We all have embarrassing moments.
Thanks for understanding. I guess I'll just try to laugh it off.
That's the spirit. And hey, maybe next time, we can laugh about it together.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thanks for being such a supportive friend.
Anytime. We're in this together.
Conversation about bad behavior.
Hey Lisa. Did you hear about what happened in class today?
No, what happened?
Well, Sarah was being really rude to the teacher and wouldn't stop talking during the lecture.
Oh no, that's not good. Being disrespectful to the teacher is never okay.
I know, right? It's important to show respect to our teachers and classmates.
Definitely. I hope Sarah realizes her behavior was wrong and apologizes.
Me too. It's not fair to disrupt the class for everyone else.
I agree. Let's hope she learns from this and behaves better in the future.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Conversation about disagreements.
Hey Lisa. I need to talk to you about something that happened in class today.
Sure. What's up?
Well, remember that group project we're working on together? I had a disagreement with Tom about how to proceed, and it turned into an argument.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good. What happened?
We couldn't agree on the best approach for the project, and things got a bit heated. I'm worried it might affect our friendship and the project itself.
I see. It's important to work together and find a solution that works for everyone. Have you tried talking to Tom again to resolve the issue?
Not yet. I needed some time to cool off first. But I think I'll talk to him tomorrow and try to find a compromise.
That sounds like a good plan. Communication is key in situations like this. Remember to listen to each other's perspectives and find common ground.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks for the advice. I'll do my best to resolve the situation peacefully.
Anytime. I'm here to support you. Let me know if you need any help talking to Tom.
Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos and also comment. For more videos like this, please check out the playlist on end screen. Thanks for watching.